What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel, and today I am super excited to present to you this new offering from Metabo. If you want to know what's inside this box, you're going to have to wait a minute because we got to roll the intro first. How'd you like that? You loved it. Tell me the truth, you loved it, didn't you? All right, so what we have here is their made in Germany SB18LTX-3BLQI. It's not a one, it's an I. But it's in German. I mean, there's a language barrier there. I read it wrong. My fault. Take it easy. So what do we have in here? What we have is the Audi, the BMW, the fighter jet, whatever you think this kind of looks like. We have a precision-tuned machine in this box. It just happens to be that it is a hammer drill from Metabo. You can see it is 18 volts. Crazy. This is a 3-speed hammer drill. Now, the speeds, gear 1, 0 to 500. Speed 2 is 0 to 2050. Speed 3 is a whopping 0 to 3,800 RPMs. That right there is what the kids call cray. Quite frankly, I think we should just get this thing opened. It has the LIHD technology, Metabo Professional Power Tool Solutions. Now, the box is pretty nice. Nice hard case. It's got nice metal latches here. They're embossed with the Metabo logo. They have a little latch here if you want to put something in there, like a lock or a plastic zip tie. Secure it. Pretty cool. It's a nice little box they give you. Now, let's get it open. It smells like Wiener Schnitzel. Unbelievable. Nah, I'm only kidding. We open it up. Here we go. We have some literature here. We're probably going to need this. But it has the specifications. It talks about the different speeds, the operation. So a lot of good reading in here. If you wanted to learn a second language, you can cross-reference English to French, Espanol. I gotta tell you, pretty cool. I have the literature for the charger. There's a supplement to the instructions. Then they have their little postcard. If you wanted to put an address on here, a stamp, you can mail this to a friend and let them know about. Nah, I'm kidding. Why would you ever mail this to your friend? You could just share this video with them if you wanted them to know about your new tools. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this aside in case we need to refer to it. But there is some good reading in here. You don't want to don't operate these tools without reading these first from cover to cover. I mean, would you drive your car? Would you drive an Audi without first reading the owner's manual cover to cover? I don't think so. We have our hammer drill. We have two 5.5 amp hour batteries. The air-cooled charger. We have the handle, the Metabo handle. First out of the box is the belt clip that's included. Comes with a little screw. And we have a little bit holder. Out comes the hammer drill. Now, you have to decide before you put your belt clip on, would you want to clip it on this way? I don't know why you would want to clip it on that way. Could go on that side. So literally, you grab your belt clip. This is a nice sturdy belt clip, I will tell you that much. I will tell you that. Now that we have the belt clip on and the bit holder, let's kind of take a look at this. I mean, take a look at that. It doesn't even look like a drill. Well, it does, but it looks, I'm telling you, it looks more like a fighter jet. Just amazing. That trigger feels buttery smooth. Beautiful. Now, they only did ship this to us with 1 bar. Let's get a little more familiar with it. So here is your drill and hammer drill settings. Pretty cool. Here's your 3-speed transmission up here. Speed 1, speed 2. Woo! That feels nice. And that is the high speed, that 3rd speed, that 3,800 RPM speed. Wow. Okay. Then down here, instead of having a button for our drill driver settings, this is a pulse setting. Look at that. It just smells like business. Here's your kind of your speed control. So literally, it has the first setting, then the speed set. It has the first pulse setting. Okay. Let me go from 1 to 10. And then we go to straight drill. Pretty cool. Now, you can also see down here, we have dual LED lights. Pretty cool. And also, we have a, look at this, a quick change head. So in this bag, they have a quarter inch collet adapter. Boom. Now you have that collet adapter. You can spin things like, for instance, these impact ready multi-bits. Boom. You could go straight in with something that's impact ready like that. Or, okay, quarter inch. Boom, look at that. You don't have to chuck in these. Anything that's quarter inch has a quarter inch adapter. Man, that's a monster bit. Look at that thing. It makes this Metabo even more versatile. That pops off. You pop your chuck right back on. It's amazing. The reality is that this thing is so pretty much, as far as tools go, this is so beautiful. You'd feel like, you feel bad getting it dirty, but that's what these are for. Like literally. And I say things like, oh man, I like to keep it new. But the reality is that when you're on the job and you have to get the job done, all bets are off. You start throwing these things around. The good part is that these tools are made to last. I mean, these are an industrial grade tool. Now the motor is brushless in this tool. You know, it's pretty funny. Metabo is like all business though. It doesn't have a whole bunch of literature on the back talking all about the tool because they don't want you to get preoccupied with specs. They just want you to go to work with it. That's what we're gonna do with this thing. But before we could do that, we have to weigh it, measure it. Come on, we need a little bit of specs. So we have our scale. Now, the one thing I'm kind of bummed out about, and there's no, I don't know, do you push down here and then slide off? Like, or do you grab it here and then pull off? It's a little counterintuitive. Like, do you flip it upside down and then yank it off? I just am puzzled of why the release is on the back of the tool. Is it a deal breaker? No, but it's just weird. I'm just saying. The battery, 5.5 amp hours from Metabo, and Metabo's known for their battery technology. is coming in at 2 pounds, 3 ounces. And I gotta tell you, the battery itself has some nice rubber overmolding at the bottom and in the corners down low. It just feels well made. It just does. Pretty much like everything that's in that box. The hammer drill itself is 3 pounds, 13.3 ounces. When you put them both together, you have a, I don't want to say hefty, but you have 6 pounds, 0.6 ounces. So you have a little over 6 pounds, 6 pounds, 0.5 ounces. The thing is that 6 pounds seems like a lot, but because it's so well balanced, it just doesn't feel as heavy as you may think. Overall length, we have 9.44 inches. Height, you're looking at 10.27 inches. At its widest point at the top, you're looking at 2.81 inches. And at the base, the widest part of the tool, now that will be from belt clip, pretty much belt clip to bit holder, you're looking at 4.17 inches. I'm kind of shocked. And I'm not saying that it's not good. I'm just shocked that the Germans didn't decide to have more of a metal style handle to maybe draw out some heat from the tool. But maybe the tool is just so beefed up and overbuilt, they don't need to extract heat in that manner. You just slide your handle on, okay? And then the handle itself indexes. You can see there's 3 index marks there. So if you needed to adjust your handle, you slide it off your index marks, and then you could slide it in slide it on in any way that you need. Boom. And then you tighten it down, okay? You needed to adjust it, you move it, boom, slide it on. So it's pretty much indexed in any position that you need. Then you tighten down your handle. Beautiful. Now, comes with a second. This kit comes with a second 5.5 amp hour battery. And one of the things I'm really dying to test out is this Metabo. This is air-cooled charger. I hope you enjoyed this first look and unboxing of this, what looks to be a precision piece of German equipment. I'm excited to put this through some testing. Let us know down below what you'd like to see here on the channel, what you want to have this hammer drill do. Do you want to see it ride daily with one of the crew members here? Myself, I wouldn't mind running this daily. You want to see it in tool test raw? What do you want to see us do with this hammer drill? I know the first thing we're going to do, we're going to do some battery charging testing with this charger and these batteries, because they only came with 1 bar. Maybe they're concerned about the batteries in transport. I don't know. But I'll say this, if you like the idea of tool companies that are concerned with the state of their battery charge during transport, then smash the like button. Also, if this is your first time here, you're going to want to get subscribed, okay? Because we do unboxing videos and tool test videos and DIY videos and tool tour videos and store tour videos and tool deal videos. Did I say that twice? We do a lot of those. Tap the bell notification, because when we do a tool deal video, sometimes the tool deal will only last a matter of minutes and you'll miss it. That means you'll end up spending more money in the future than if you saw the video and spent less money. Just tap the bell, allow all notifications, and never spend more money ever again. Just makes sense. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I sure did. I can't wait to get to use this thing. You know, that's why I'm kind of rushing now. Once I get you out of here, I can charge this up and start playing with my new tool. See you all in the next one.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.